Hello guys, I am Saket. Now we are going to start our technical session on VCRS section. Okay, so my first question, we will talk about our first question, that is what is uh, can anybody explain VCRS cycle? Hello, anybody? We all are aspirants here today. No senior guy is here. Everybody is preparing for their exam. So we will just speak and leave the meeting. Okay, then what is explain the VCRS cycle? How does it work? Anybody?
Yes, Saket, I'll go first.
Okay, okay, Aniket. Yes, carry on.
Yeah. So the
Can you,
VCRS cycles.
Aniket, can you turn
Mhm.
on your camera?
Okay. Yeah, is it fine?
Yes, yes, yes. That's fine.
So the VCRS cycle stands for vapor compression refrigeration cycle, and there are main four components in the cycle which are present. First is compressor. Second is expansion valve, condenser, and evaporator. So there are four processes which happens in different, like in heat addition occurs at a constant pressure condition, and heat rejection also happens at a isobaric condition. And whereas the compression and expansion occurs in an isentropic mode, and whereas the uh, expansion happens in an isenthalpic mode. So these are the main processes and these are the main components which are present in the VCRS cycle.
Okay, okay. That's correct. Everybody agrees with his answer, or anybody wants to add something in this? So you can add. Anybody wants to add on this answer? Everybody agrees with him? Everybody agrees with Aniket? Hello? Okay. Okay, then we'll move to next question. Can anybody tell what are the main four VCRS processes that VCRS, what do we say? Main four processes in VCR cycle.
I'm going to say, can I say?
Okay, okay, Ashwin. Yes, carry on. With your camera turn on.
Uh,
Okay.
uh, there are four main processes. In compressor, isentropic compression will take place. In condenser, it is isobaric heat rejection, and in thermostat expansion valve, it is isenthalpic heat isenthalpic expansion, and in evaporator, it is isobaric heat absorption. Those are the four cycles.
Yes, Ashwin. Everybody agrees with Ashwin. Hello, everybody. Speak some guys. Ajit. Okay, Ashwin. Hello, guys. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. We'll move to next question. Can anybody tell uh, what will be happening when we keep a refrigerator door open? Anybody? Yes, Shubham. Shubham Shivalkar.
Yes. Uh,
Can you turn
can
on
I
your
speak?
camera also? Yes, yes, yes.
Sorry, right now I'm not in the lighting mode, so I'm
Okay,
able
okay, okay.
to
No problem.
able to turn on
No,
camera.
no problem. No
Okay,
problem.
if we keep the refrigerator door open, the surrounding air enters in the refrigerator, and cooling system runs harder to cool the system, so increase the power consumption. and reduce the efficiency of the fridge, and that causes the overheating the compressor, and the heat of the surrounding and heat of the compressor increase the room temperature also. Is it fine?
Yes, yes, you are right. No problem. Anybody wants to add on this, or anybody wants to try their answer? They can try.
Yeah, bro.
Yes, 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 yes. Please.
It consumes more energy to maintain the inside side of the freezer. Inside the side of fridge, it consumes more energy.
No, listen my question once. What will happen if refrigerator door is kept open?
It consumes more energy to maintain the
Okay,
inside side of the temperature of the refrigerator.
okay, and it will cause damage to the compressor also.
Yes.
Overheating due to overheating of compressor. Okay,
Yes.
okay, okay. That's correct. We'll move to next question. Can anybody tell why
Hello,
AC?
hello.
Yes, yes,
Can you
yes,
hear me?
yes,
I
yes.
have a doubt that does the
Okay.
room temperature remain same or does the room temperature increases?
Uh, anybody wants to give his answer?
Uh, room temperature gets increased. It will increase the temperature of the room. As compressor rejects,
Yes, if
as condenser rejects
compressor
more
high.
heat now. So
As compressor work harder to cool the system, cool the refrigerator, it overheats, and that overheats increase the temperature of room also, na.
Yes,
Okay, okay, okay.
did you got that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, bro, I'm wrong.
Do you want to say anything, Bhange Patil?
My
No,
answer
no.
is wrong.
Basically, it consumes more power, increase the refrigerator temperature. It will cause the uh, damage the beverage inside the refrigerator and increase the room temperature. Those 3 points are mainly we can say, as I think.
Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, anybody again wants to add, or shall we move to next question? Okay, we'll move to next question. Can anybody tell why AC we measure in terms of refrigeration and why we measure the capacity of refrigerator in liters?
Yeah, bro.
Okay, okay, you can tell.
Refrigerator refrigerator cools the small area and AC cools the large amount of area. So that's why AC and air and refrigerator in liter.
Yes, okay, that's correct. Anybody again wants to elaborate on this answer, or anybody wants to tell in his language, her language?
Saket, can you repeat the question, please?
Yes, why AC is measured in turn of refrigeration and a refrigerator in liters? That's the question. Did you got it, Aniket?
Yeah, I understood.
Okay. Do you know?
No, not really.
Okay, I will try to tell. As AC covers maximum amount of volume to cool to chill the room, that is maximum amount of volume is there. And in a refrigerator, in a confined space, it provides refrigeration effect. That's why in refrigerator, because of confined space, it is uh, it is measured in liters, and in AC there is terms of refrigeration. Okay.
Got it. And is there any difference between refrigerants used in AC as well as in a refrigerator?
Though I also don't know. Anybody here knows this answer? I think Rakshit is there in meeting. He might be telling. Hello, Rakshit.
The in domestic refrigerator, they use R410A, and generally widely industrial area we use R134A, I think.
Usually, I think
Okay,
in
okay,
AC, in refrigerator, they use cyclopentane and new azeotopes and zeotopes, I think. Those type of refrigerants. And those in shape, R134 is used. And in a normal refrigerant, the temperature should be low, no? So we use different type of refrigerant. And for AC, it is different. I don't know about AC.
okay. We'll try to find out, or we'll what take take this question to our group. So anybody will guide us. Okay. Shall we move to? We will move to now next question. Uh, why there is slightly less temperature at outlet of condenser as compared to compressor? As we know, pressure is constant, but temperature is little bit low at outlet of what do we say condenser than of compressor. So what's that reason? Anybody?
Heat change.
Yes, Rushak. Can you turn
Uh,
on your camera?
to in compression, yes, due to in compressor, the refrigeration pressure of the fluid increases, refrigerator is increases, and due to that the temperature increase. And in condenser, uh, heat exchange between two fluids, and the refrigerator is cooled down.
Okay.
So the temperature at the outlet of compressor is high than the condenser.
Yes, that is the reason. But again, we can add on that phase change occurs as vapor that
Yes, yes.
the refrigerant from compressor that is in superheated state, and in when it passes through the condenser, it rejects heat. So phase change is there. That's why slightly less temperature is there. We can also say this. Okay.
Okay.
Am I correct, guys? Anybody
But
wants to?
but
But at the time of phase change, there is no change in temperature and pressure, I think.
Sorry,
yes,
what you
phase
said?
change in the evaporator, na evaporator exit.
No,
After
no.
the evaporator exit, there is
Phase change also takes in
no
condenser,
phase
bro.
change.
Yeah, yeah, but there is no change in temperature and pressure while the changing the phase of the any substance. Like
Okay, anybody wants to tell correct answer? Ashwin?
It is
Because it is
because of
superheated near evaporator. After compressor, the refrigerant is superheated. So that's
Yes,
why after passing to condenser, temperature get decreased. As it had to change from superheating phase to
saturated, I think.
saturated vapor.
saturated.
Yes.
But in near evaporator, inlet of evaporator, there is no superheat of refrigerant take place. So that's the reason. There will temperature and constant will be same.
Okay, bro. And phase
so,
change also
basically,
takes
it
place,
reduce
no?
the latent heat and reduce the superheat. Am I correct?
What you're saying?
Basically, it rejects latent heat and reduce the superheat of the refrigerant.
Yes, yes, yes. It reduce in condenser. That happens.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Moving to the next question. Can anybody tell working of sensing bulb? Yes, anybody? Working of sensing bulb.
In thermometer, na? Yeah.
Can I
No,
say
in
working
VCRS
working of
cycle.
sensing?
Yes, yes, bro. You can.
Sensing bulb is mounted on the exit of the evaporator, which senses the temperature of the refrigerant and connect it. Sensing bulb connected to the thermostatic expansion valve with the help of capillary tube. It basically reacts with the temperature of the refrigerant at the exit of the evaporator and get expanded and operates the thermostatic expansion valve and controls the flow of refrigerant towards the evaporator, and it also makes sure that only vapor refrigerant goes through towards the compressor for safety of the compressor.
Okay, can anybody tell this? What does exactly sensing bulb do to ensure that that liquid should not go into the compressor?
Sensing bulb is connected at the end of the evaporator, and it is directly connected to the expansion device through capillary tube. So as the and it consists of same type of refrigerant which is flowing within the system. So as the vapor passes through the passes from the sensing bulb, from the sensing bulb, the vapors are formed in the sensing bulb, and these vapors then goes to the expansion device where the size of the orifice shrinks because of the vapors entering in the thermostatic expansion valve, and it controls the flow of refrigerant, thereby producing only a saturated vapor at the end of the evaporator, and it so that it enters the compressor and it doesn't damage the compressor.
Yes, and to ensuring that that liquid should not enter into the compressor, sensing bulb also superheats the refrigerant near about, I guess, 5 to 8 degrees Celsius.
Yeah,
Am I right?
yeah, yeah, correct.
Yeah, okay. Okay, then we'll again move to next question. Uh, how is different temperature maintained in meat room and vegetable room? Can anybody tell?
Hello.
Yes, bro.
I had
Can
a
you
doubt
please?
about the
Okay.
I had a doubt about the previous
The
question.
te-
Usually in VCR
the
cycle, it doesn't consider the superheat after evaporator. No, it's not showing in the pH chart. pH chart.
What? Sorry, what you said?
If you consider TS chart or pH chart, we done after the refrigerant enters the evaporator. At the end of the evaporator, we consider it as a saturated vapor.
Yes.
Correct. So it's on the dome, on the dome, exactly on the dome. So we doesn't consider it as superheated, right?
No, no, no. It's not superheated. It is saturated vapors.
Saturated vapor.
Yes. Okay, Rushak, you want to say anything?
yes, you have the of it, how the main temperature in meter vegetable room.
Sorry, you are not properly audible.
Now,
Okay, let's try.
now it is possible.
Yes, yes, yes.
You have asked the question of how is the temperature is maintained in refrigeration room of meat and vegetables.
Yes, yes. My question was that how different temperature is maintained in meat room and vegetable room.
Yes, by extracting the heat from the vegetables, the temperature is know that the temperature passes from high temperature to low temperature. In the chilling room, there is the low temperature. As our vegetables contains high temperature, the heat from the vegetable is extracted by the refrigerant in the chilling room, and the temperature is maintained by extracting the heat in the by evaporator, and it is passed, and then compressor
Okay.
to condenser, and the refrigerant is revolving in the process.
Okay. Again, anybody wants to tell that how different temperature is maintained in vegetable room and meat room? Can
Yes, bro.
anybody? Okay. Okay, you can tell.
In one compressor, we use two evaporator coil. One is a freezer compartment and another is a vegetable compartment. It's called a dual cooling system. One compressor, two coil use.
Yes, that's correct. We use the single compressor and two evaporator coils, and that system is called dual cooling.
Yes.
We have two different circuits for that, means a single compressor but two different circuits to maintain different temperature at your refrigerator, freezer and vegetable compartment. Okay, can anybody tell refrigeration safeties? Okay.
As
Yes,
the
yes, yes.
gas in as the refrigerator in the system is is of toxic type
Okay.
ammonia. So it is safety is to take under care. The refrigerant should not be leaked.
Okay, but what are the refrigeration safeties I am saying? Okay, Dinesh, you can tell. Harish,
So
everybody speak up, guys.
the VCR safeties are low loop oil pressure cutout, then high pressure cut-in cutout, low pressure cut-in cutout. Then we have oil heaters, and also we have relief valve, solenoid valve, master solenoid valve. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, that's correct. Okay, then what we can move to next question again. Does anybody has different question so that we will discuss here that question from VCRS?
Yes, bro.
Yes.
According to R134A refrigerant,
Okay.
in the compressor, what is the temperature and pressure?
According to R1348 temperature, sorry, refrigerant, what is the temperature at? Temperature and pressure at
Compressor.
compressor. Actually, it is approximately 50 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees centigrade temperature, and near about 10 bar, approximately 10 bar pressure is there at compressor using R134A.
Okay.
Okay, again, same question. Same question for same refrigerant? What is? Can anybody tell what is the temperature and pressure for in condenser?
30 degrees
30
Celsius
degrees.
and about 10 bar pressure.
Yes, that's correct. And what's the temperature and pressure at evaporator coil? Okay, Harish. I'm Harish.
Go at freezer compartment. It is 18 degree to minus 20 degree, and vegetable compartment 4 degree, and pressure around 1 bar pressure.
Yes, correct. Again, anybody has okay, bro. I have one question that we know that we use HFOs in our main engines, and in main engine stroke length is also larger. So for burning HFO, that we need longer stroke length. But in auxiliary engine also, how that HFO is burned, because it has very small stroke length. Then I don't know how that is the possible in burning HFO in four-stroke engine.
Can can we reduce the viscosity of the fuel and then we can use?
I also
Is it
don't know,
possible?
but we'll find this answer.
By heating the fuel oil, maybe.
Yeah, yeah.
That can be the answer. Okay, we'll try. Anybody has again any different types of question on VCRS? Please, we will talk here. We will discuss. Yes,
Properties
Ashwin.
of revision. What are the properties of
Yes,
Properties.
revision?
yes, yes, yes. Anybody? Properties of refrigerant? Anybody wants to tell? Yes, Harish,
Yes,
you
bro.
want to tell?
The desirable property of refrigerant are low boiling point, and low condensing pressure, low specific volume, and the refrigerant has has cheap has to be cheap, and non-flammable, non-explosive, non-toxic, non-corrosive, and non-global warming potential. That's all.
Okay. Does anybody wants to add something, some new points in these properties of refrigerant? I will add that it should be miscible with oil.
It has to have low viscosity and low pressure ratio as well.
Okay.
It should have high latent rate of vaporization
Yes.
and low ODP value.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, yes.
And One more thing I would like to add is that about regarding the freezing point of the refrigerant, that it should be low to avoid the freezing or freezing of the fluid in the throttling valve.
I think freezing point should be low because in a evaporator coil the temperature is low. That's why I think means it should be able to change its phase na, in evaporator after absorbing the heat.
Yes.
That's why that low freezing point of refrigerant is required, and that property is required somewhere there. I think. Okay, anybody again? Any questions? Please tell.
What type of material is used in VCRS on ship?
Material.
Yeah.
Material of what?
The tubings and all usually we prefer on ship.
Which material you are saying?
The tubings like from where the
Tubings.
refrigerant will pass.
Okay, okay.
Mm,
Anybody knows?
Special.
I don't have idea about that. Anybody? What are the that from which the material of that tubes from where refrigerant passes?
Don't know, bro.
Okay, we'll put this question in our group. Ask this question in group, Dinesh.
Okay, okay.
Okay, then again, do you have any questions regarding VCRS? Because
Saket, bro, I have a question.
okay, okay, tell.
Hmm. How we find the leakage of refrigerant in onboard ship?
What?
Halide torch.
Okay, highlight torch is there? Yes.
Yes,
Means
yes.
theoretic means now we all are aspirants, so we know theoretically. Exactly, we also don't know. Highlight torch we have studied about, and that I think.
Hello,
Hello.
hello, Saket bro.
Yes, bro.
Actually,
Yes.
I want to. Actually, I want to. Today is my first session. That's why I want to ask you, Chan. Whatever discussion going on here, I'm not able to understand everything. So, from where have you prepared all those guides? I want to also know about that.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Mahendra, bro. You can start preparing from. You will get guidance from our. You are you in Let's Learn group and all.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
There are many our senior guys that they will guide you very nicely. Uh, uh, do you know that? Come on, Let's Learn YouTube channel also. There that Gyan brother uploads his video in very simple layman language for understanding. You can get understanding from there also. And again, you are in Let's Learn group, so you will come to know. You just ask there, anybody will guide you from where to study
Actually,
and
I
all.
have actually I have clear written examination, but I don't know how can prepare for interview and from where I should go and which process I should follow.
Okay, then I also don't know, bro. But Raviraj Bhaiya and all, Gyan brother, they will guide you very nicely. Just approach them.
And what about Dismal package? Firstly, I should complete Dismal package, or firstly I should complete a
Dreamers,
YouTube channel.
Dreamers package is for, I guess, Dreamers package is for clearing concepts, so that is necessary.
Actually, I have not still completed Dismal package. That's why I am saying.
Okay, okay, no problem.